Press the bell icon to never miss a video from PopXO Daily.
Hi guys, my name is Imani.
Hey guys, this is Nidhi.
Hi, I'm Janusha.
Hi guys, my name is Prachi.
Today on the occasion of World Lipstick Day, I'm going to talk to you about something really dear to me. And as far as my introduction to lipsticks is concerned, I think हम सबका introduction to lipstick school में हुआ था जब stage shows करने होते थे. I'm sure the first lipstick that I bought myself was in college, which was back in 2012, and उस time पे neon was so trending, and I remember I had a very bad looking neon orange and neon pink color lip shade.
I was very young since I've been applying lipstick because I used to participate in a lot of cultural events. But like properly when I bought my own lipstick would be 12th or college first year.
I was, I think, 6 years old. I used to apply all my mom's lipsticks, and sometimes I used to get yelled at also by her because I used to either spoil those lipstick or I don't know, I used to paint all my face with it. But yeah, I've been a fan of lipsticks ever since I was 6.
Might have probably been in school for some play or something. But the first time I remember sort of experimenting and choosing my own sort of lip colors was probably at the end of school or early college. And at that time, I think lip glosses were all the rage. So they were super glittery and super shiny and sticky, and your hair always got stuck in them.
One of those baby lip balms from Maybelline. And although it didn't really give me any color to my lips, it just made my lips a little redder, which made it seem like I'm wearing makeup. And from there was no stopping me. I jumped straight in and I started using the Ruby Woo by MAC. That was one of the first lipsticks that I did own, and I wore it for years.
Two of my favorite lipsticks. Now I have two favorites because I am one of those people who loves mixing colors to create my own lip color. So that is why I have two. So one of them is by MAC. It's called Honey Love, and it's a very light nude, and it's so light that it almost fades you out. So you need something else to like mix with it. So I generally use this one from NYX, and this one is also a nude shade, but it's just a more brown nude shade, and it's called Free Spirit. So yeah, these are two of my favorite lip shades.
Two of my favorite lipsticks are Meher from MAC and Shade Bombay from Nykaa. This is a liquid lipstick and this is a bullet lipstick, of course. So I have already swatched it for you guys. This is Bombay and this is Meher. If you see, this is actually a liquid lipstick that mattifies. I'm wearing it right now. And this is Meher, which is velvety texture. It doesn't mattify. MAC Meher. This is slightly expensive, but it's worth the price. I love the color. The texture is beautiful, smooth, velvety. It is very long lasting. One application easily lasts for 4 to 5 hours depending on what you're doing, if you're eating something, and I like how easy it is to, like, it's very easy to apply. I wouldn't say it's smudge proof, but it's easy to apply. It glides on your lips and it's very hydrating. After applying this, my skin feels so soft and so nice, as if I've just applied like a lip mask. So I love the texture. This is another nude, very similar. The colors are very close to each other. They're my favorite nudes. The color is stunning. The texture is stunning. The wand that it comes with makes the application super easy. Also, it's mattifying but doesn't dry out my lip. The best part is one application would last you 6 to 7 hours. It does, and smudge proof, stain proof.
My favorite lipstick is the matte retro matte lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. This is the same lipstick that I've applied on my lips as well, and this is how gorgeous the shade is. I am someone who loves bullet lipsticks, and I'm absolutely a fan of matte lipsticks. So yeah, this is the perfect shade for me. It makes me really happy, you know, because it's not a very bright red color. It's not a dark red color. It's that absolutely perfect shade for all girls out there, for all skin tones out there. But you know what the best part about this lipstick is that apart from being a fabulous lipstick, it also doubles up as a red color corrector to hide your dark circles and, you know, your hyperpigmentation, or it also acts as an amazing blush. Talking about the texture of the lipstick, it is very smooth. It glides on easily on your lips, stays for about 6 to 8 hours, and does not transfer to any other surface as well, which is amazing, which is great. It does not happen with a lot of red lipsticks, but yeah. So I believe MAC Ruby Woo is my go-to lipstick.
My favorite lipstick right now is My Glam's Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is the shade right here. So I love big bold lip colors, and it doesn't get bigger or bolder than this intense purple shade right here. I love the way this color looks on my skin tone, especially because I'm a little dusky. I think it really stands out on my skin. Even on days when I don't really want to do a full face makeup. For me, I just put a little bit of mascara on, swipe on this lipstick, and I'm good to go. So this lipstick has a gorgeous matte finish that I'm obsessed with. But that's not even the best part about it. What I love most is that it's waterproof, it's smudge proof, it's transfer proof. So once you put it on and it settles down, you can eat, drink, do whatever you want, and it doesn't go anywhere. That's another thing I like about this lipstick is that the formula has moringa oil in it. So unlike a lot of liquid matte lipstick that tend to feel very dry and become flaky on your lips after a while, this one actually tends to like moisturize and hydrate it a bit.
My go-to lipstick today would be something nude or something in a pink family. So the one I'm wearing is from Smashbox. It is part of their Be Legendary lipstick line. It is in the shade Stylist. It's a matte lipstick. It's a very pretty dusty rose color. It works well for all skin tones. It's slightly creamy when you apply it, but what I like to do is once I've applied it, I dab it down with the tissue paper, and then I'm left with this really pretty matte finish. It stays on fairly well. It lasts for about 3 to 4 hours during the day. Even if you do end up reapplying it through the day, it's not going to leave your lips feeling cracked and chapped. So that's something I really enjoy, because I'm not someone who would reapply my lipstick after lunch. So with this one, I actually don't mind because it moisturizes my lips ever so slightly. So let us know in the comment section below what's your favorite lip color. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Popix Today.